Hi, I'm Travis Pickard. I'm the product owner for the 360 Insights Consumer Rebates Module. Today, I want to show you an authentic example of what a rebate workflow process looks like when you run a rebate program on our platform. Everything that we've done here today is for demonstration purposes, but I want to stress, everything that I'm showing you is the real product, the real deal. When my team and I were building out the new product version, we wanted to ensure that we could offer something that was in complete alignment with the already fantastic products that our client partners were offering, with an equally fantastic consumer claiming experience. And we wanted to make sure that what the consumer was experiencing was ease of use, intuitive design, and mostly that they could do this on any device that they happen to have. Today, I'm going to be using my mobile phone to demonstrate this. Today we're outside of Tire Depot, a local tire retailer that's close to our offices at 360. The reason why we chose this location is we wanted to emphasize the fact that we wanted to solve a very real problem for our client partners. In that, as your channel becomes more complex, you begin to lose visibility into what the single independent retailers are doing. And I want to emphasize that while we're standing out front of a tire dealer today, our product is completely flexible across many different industries. So, let's go claim a rebate. Okay, so I've just completed my purchase of a brand new set of 360 tires, and now I'm going to show you what that rebate process looks like. Another great feature of the product is that it offers a completely customized and branded experience for your consumers in a responsive design. If somebody wants to go home and complete this rebate process on their desktop computer, that's perfectly fine. They'll get the exact same experience. But if they're like me and they're in a hurry to get their rebate filed, they can go ahead and do that in the car in the parking lot right after their purchase has been made. So bringing up the website on my phone, I'm immediately presented with a beautiful branded landing page. Very simple, straight to the point. I know exactly what I need to do next, hitting start my claim. And as you can see, the site is optimized for completion by offering a complete list of all the things that I'm going to need in order to be successful in my claim entry, including my invoice or sales receipt, which I have right here, tire tread pattern name, my vehicle information, where I purchased my tires. I know that I'm good to go and complete this rebate experience. One of the great features of this product is that it ensures that we capture an invoice or sales receipt as the very first step in the process. I can easily just take a picture with my device. I can bring it into frame, snap a photo, and immediately the site tells me that my document upload was successful and that I can continue on with the rebate process. I also get a handy little picture here of the exact picture that I took, so I'm well aware of whether or not it can be read later on in the process for validation. Now that I've added my invoice, I can move on to the next step. And what it's asking me for is to get the details on what I've purchased. And the first set of information that it's asking for is my vehicle information. So as I begin to type in my Subaru Outback, it is presenting me with a list of options that I can pick from in the drop-down. This ensures that all of the data that's coming in is 100% clean data. There are no keystroke errors that can be input in this section. It also gives you insight into the type of industry type data that you may not have known about your consumers and the type of vehicles or the tire sizes that they may have when they're purchasing your products. This is just an example in the tire industry, but it definitely carries over into different industries. Inputting the year of my purchase and moving on to the exact item that I've purchased today. And in this case, it was my 360 Tires Special All-Season 120s. And again, it's in a list that's provided as a drop-down, ensuring there are no keystroke errors. I can input my tire size. Very simply, it comes up as an available option. And of course, my purchase price per tire. The next section is where I purchased from. From the Tire Depot, I can simply input that. And I can search from a range of different fields. I can enter the dealer name, or I can type in their address, or even their zip code. All of which will provide a list of results. My purchase date, and of course my invoice number. Checking on that. And I hit continue. Another great feature that I'd like to highlight here is that the system automatically determines which promotion I'm eligible for based off of the purchases that I made, where I made them from, and when I made them. In this case, I'm eligible for the 360 rolling rebate promotion, and I'm going to qualify for a $50 rebate amount. All of the details on this special promotion are listed right up front here for the user. I know that I'm in the right place, and I just have to provide a few simple details about my name, my address, and of course, my email information. The email address is important because that's where all of my claim correspondence is going to be sent to. And we ensure with this product that Each and every entry that is made by the user is validated with itself. And what I mean by that is I enter it in once, and then I enter it in again, and both of those items need to match. This is important to ensure that the data coming in is 100% clean and that we can communicate with your consumers the entire length of process for the rebate. Now that I've entered in my personal information, I'm presented with a screen that verifies that the rebate award that I will receive is $50. And in this case, it will come in the form of a branded prepaid Visa card. I also want to highlight that on this section of the website, it also asks if I wish to receive future marketing communications from this brand. In this case, I do. I will leave that pre-checked and I will hit continue. And now there's a great opportunity to learn more about your consumers. We have a survey section in the product which allows you to ask very targeted questions about the users. We can ask simply, what made you purchase this particular product? On a scale of 1 to 5, how important was the rebate redemption process today? Allowing you to learn very valuable insights about your consumers. Hitting continue, it lets me know that I'm almost done. I just need to take one more quick moment to review all of the information above. Again, an opportunity for the user to self-check what they've done. And reiterating that all claim status updates will be provided to my email address, which is fantastic. It reassures me to know that I'm going to be updated all along the way. And of course, the terms and conditions for the program, I can go ahead and read and agree to those. And once I have, I can submit my claim. And I'm done. Very quick, very easy. Now it tells me my claim is submitted. I have my claim reference number for future correspondence. And again, it tells me that I'm going to receive notifications about my claim through my email address. It highlights the information that I've already provided, including my model and my purchase documents. So I know everything has been received in good order, and I'm done. As you can see, we're offering a great consumer rebates experience that fully aligns with the fantastic products that you're offering. We give full visibility into your sales channel of who's buying and selling those products. And you can rest assured that all of the data that's coming in through our mechanisms is completely clean and accurate. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to email us at the address on the bottom of the screen.